Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Integra Motorhome offers luxury and comfort when traveling. Outside, superior fiberglass body offers outstanding insulation, strength, and durability. Modern color and graphic choices, a stylish and modern look to make a statement while driving. Large panoramic windows make the most of the interior's natural light and vistas. Large outdoor storage area, basement storage easily accessible for transporting bicycles, travel gear, and other things. Electric awning for effortless outdoor leisure. LED outside lighting for increased safety and visibility at night. For simpler parking leveling, an automatic hydraulic stabilizer system is used. Interior, premium materials. It will be common practice to utilize premium materials. Kitchen, double stainless steel sink, convection oven, microwave, 3-burner gas or induction cooktop, and full-size residential refrigerator with freezer. Lots of storage space in the pantry. Comfortable sleeping space. Typically, the master bed has a premium memory foam mattress and is either queen or king size. Large living area furnished with a convertible dining area, swivel chairs, and a cozy sofa. Class A diesel pusher chassis. The Freightliner custom chassis and Spartan chassis are two examples of high-end Integra models that use a diesel pusher chassis, which has the engine in the back. This offers more pulling power and a quieter, more comfortable ride. Strong engine. Reliable performance and good gradeability are guaranteed with a strong Cummins or comparable diesel engine. Air suspension for an incredibly pleasant ride with height adjustment. Advanced braking system for improved control when descending hills. Air brakes and possibly engine brakes are used. Rooftop solar panels, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, and a power inverter for prolonged off-grid operation are all part of the smart energy management system. With a central touch panel or smartphone app. A smart home management system enables users to regulate the temperature, lighting, awnings, and even the water tank.